Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all network and internet related issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Select connection and sharing. Go down. Set reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. This operation would reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings. That way we can fix all network and internet related issues. Tap on this reset settings button. Tap here. Tap on OK. Done. Network settings have been reset. After this reset operation, you can go and check Wi-Fi connection and internet that should work. So this way we can reset network settings and fix all network, internet and mobile data related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.